welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be about Kora silk cotton sarees. In that very different patterns, we have embroideries and jute works this time, thread works and jute works. So it's going to be really a different kind of patterns and very lovely vibrant combinations. Regarding the maintenance of these sarees, simple hand wash are fine for these sarees and a mild iron will be really fine for these kind of sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And without fail, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful Kora silk cotton saree, in that a lovely embroidery pattern in monotone and golden zari. You could have a closer look. On the bottom part, we have a big border of beautiful design, completely weave. And the body, you have a smaller booties also. The embroidery is throughout the sari, very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a plain blouse, and the price of the sari is 1070. In the same patterns, the beautiful pink color, you could see a closer look of the design. It's a monotone embroidery in pink and golden zari, which makes the sari look really grand. On the top part of the body, we have smaller booties. So this is how it looks. Very pretty one, lovely shade. And the price of the saree is 1070. We have some lovely colors in this pattern. The next is a beautiful blue. Even in this, it's the same type of design. Beautiful pattern. Lovely design. Very pretty the saree looks. Rich and elegant. Or you can even wear it for a small functions. So the next is a beautiful bottle green. The bottom part, you have a bigger embroidery in monotone with the golden zaris throughout. It looks really class. So this is the body of the sari. And the price of the sari is 1070. The next is a very pretty off-white, in that a different pattern embroidery. It's a completely this kind of an embroidery. Bottom part, you have an embroidery throughout the sari. So this is how it looks. Very pretty sari, looks really class. A beautiful sari. And the price of this sari is 960. Very beautiful Kora silk cotton sari, in that a lovely embroidery in a monotone and a golden zari weaving. A beautiful design running along the border part. You have a continuous weaving. On the top part, it's a smaller motif design. A beautiful pattern running along the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse of the sari is this, a plain blouse. And the price of the sari is 1070. A very beautiful Kora silk cotton sari, an embroidery pattern. Bottom part, we have a beautiful silver zari and a contrast leaf pattern design embroidery running throughout the sari. On the body part, we have small motifs. These are all also embroidery ones. Very pretty sari this is. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse of the sari is a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. And the price of the sari is 960. This is again a very beautiful navy blue with a pink color combination with the silver zari pattern. Lovely design, beautiful color. These saris look really class. This is how the sari looks. Very pretty sari, lovely design and beautiful color combination. You could see it. Yeah, you could see the sari. It's a very beautiful one. And the price of the sari is 960. The next color is a pink. And the embroidery is in darker pink with silver zari. Very pretty sari again. These Kora silk cotton saris are very easy to drape and maintain. And you can actually wear it in summer also. And especially now the summer is really hot here. So you can actually wear these kind of saris to a function either. It's a very beautiful green color with pink and silver zari. A lovely design in the Kora silk cotton. Lovely color combination. A beautiful pattern. This is how the sari looks. So I'm showing you the sari. In the top part, we have small embroideries. Very pretty sari. The next color is going to be a very beautiful beetroot color or the grapes color. A lovely design, in that the embroidery is in pink and silver. So this is how the sari looks. Very lovely design, beautiful pattern. And the price of the sari is 960. The next is a lovely parrot green with pink combination, and you have a selvage border on the bottom part. Very pretty sarees, looks really nice and class. So this is how the saree looks. Lovely design, very beautiful. The next is going to be orange with pink and more like an kesari color, a dual tone shade this is. Looks really class. Very pretty saree. Lovely shade. And the next is a very pink, Rani pink. So this is how the saree looks. Very beautiful shade, lovely design. This is a sapphire green, in that the embroidery is in pink and silver zari. Very, very class. All these sarees carry blouses. It's a running blouse. You can even wear some contrast blouse for these sarees. This is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 960. Again, a very nice thread weaving pattern in the jutes, in the Kora silk cotton. A jute design again. Bottom part and the top part we have a very pretty design running along the body, and throughout the body it's a diamond pattern weaving. This is all completely weaving. It's a very neat finish. You could see the back side also. It's a very neat finish. Nice saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1170. In the Kora silk cotton, it's a very beautiful thread weaving pattern in the jute work. Very beautiful design running along the body. We have vertical lines, small lines which you could see. Along with that we have a beautiful mango page design running along the saree. A borderless pattern which is completely on trend. So this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. So this is how the blouse is, and the price of this saree is 1250. In the same pattern we have some lovely colors. This is a navy blue. You could see it. It's all borderless pattern which is completely on trend now. Looks really class. So this is how the saree looks. Very, very pretty saree. And the price of the saree is 1250. The next is a very beautiful dark peacock green shade. Peacock blue. These colors with the jute work makes the saree look really elegant and very beautiful. Lovely. The next is a dark pinkish maroon, or more like a grape shade. Very, very pretty color and lovely design. So this is how the saree looks, and the pallu of the saree is this, a pretty pallu, grand pallu. The next is a lovely black. Any day blacks look really awesome. So this is how the saree looks. Beautiful saree, lovely design. And the next is a very, very pretty pink, beautiful shade. These sarees will look really elegant, which you can wear for some functions also. It will look really elegant and beautiful. So this is how it looks, and the price of this saree is 1250. A green color Kora silk cotton again. This is again a thread weaving pattern. It looks like a print, but it's completely a weaved pattern. You could actually see the back side. It's such a neat finish. Lovely design, beautifully weaved. It's more like a computer kind of a design. Looks really class. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1190. It's a Kora silk cotton saree in blue with a thread weaving pattern, more like a Pochambali kind of a design. You could see the design. It's very nice. Both the sides we have a thread weaving on both the sides of the saree, and the body is more plain. It will look really nice when you actually pleat these sarees. It will look very different, and on both the sides you have a selvage border. These are all completely weaved. Very neat finish of the weaving. Really class designs. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again a plain blouse with a small selvage border, and the price of the saree is 1080. In the same pattern we have some lovely colors. This is black with fawn again. So this is how the saree looks. It's going to be like this when you wear it. It's black with fawn. The next is dark bottle green. So this is how it looks. Black, dark green with fawn color, bottle green. Next is Rani pink. So this is how it looks. Really nice design, like no, when you wear it, these sarees will look really pretty. The next is going to be grey. So it's grey, very beautiful. The next is the grapes color, very beautiful color with a nice borders. It's all completely thread weave design, very pretty Pochamballi design, more like a Pochamballi design. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is a running blouse. And the price of the sari is 1080. The next is a dark navy blue. So this is how the sari looks. It's a dark navy blue in the jute design. It's really pretty. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a running blouse. And the price of this sari is 1080. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase those saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.